solve for z, given the equation a equals n times z plus d. So we need to get z by itself. Split this guy up, maybe. Here we go. So we're going to move d first, so we're going to subtract d on both sides. So you want to add or subtract first. So on the left-hand side, it's going to leave you with, and I'll write it over here, a minus d equals nz. And we want to get z by itself. So we're multiplying n times z. We want to do opposites, so we're going to divide by n and divide by n. So now we have z by itself. And you just match up a minus d divided by n. Your answer is B. 2, solve for s. So we need to get s by itself. Let's split it up. This one is just going to take us one step. We're just going to subtract r to the other side because s is on the right, so we need to move everything to the left. So we're going to do opposites. We're going to subtract r here. So we're left with a plus b minus r equals s. So that is our answer. A plus b minus r equals s. There we go. 3, solve for w given the equation. I'm going to rewrite this guy down here. Give me some room to work with. We need to solve for w, so let's split this up. And let's start moving stuff. So I'm going to look at this as just one object here, 2L. We can move 2L to the other side. It's positive on the right, so we're going to make it negative when we move it. So we're going to subtract 2L. That's going to leave us with p minus 2L equals what we have left on the right side, 2 times w. And now we need to get w by itself. So that's 2 times w. So we're going to do the opposite of multiplying by 2. And you have to divide everything by 2. So now that we have w by itself, here is our answer. So let's match that up. P minus 2L divided by 2. Our answer is B. 4, solve for r. Split this up. R is on the right side, so we want to move everything to the left. So this is 2 times pi times r. There's 2 ways you could do this. You could do this step by step. We could start off by dividing by 2. That'll move the 2. And so that will leave me with c divided by 2 equals pi times r. And our goal is to get r by itself. So this is pi times r. So the opposite of multiplying by pi would be to divide by pi. And so when you divide by pi, you're simply going to put that on the bottom part of the fraction. So now we have r by itself. And c divided by 2 pi. And our answer is A. Question 5, solve for t. Split this guy up. Here we go, split it up. T is on the right, so we need to move everything to the left. This is r times t, so to move r, you have to do the opposite of multiplying, which would be to divide. So we divide here, and you'd be left with d divided by r would equal t. D divided by r equals t. And it looks like our answer is going to be D, right here.